using a no wipe top coat. Make sure you close and have the lids cap on. You don't want to tear them. No wipe top coat. Oh, I really want to share with you something. This one. Let me do that. It's been kind of cool and trend. Okay, so now I am gonna using this. This look for all of you. So I put all my, because there's so many in one tray. All right, be with me. It's really cool. Okay, this is so always is stunning. If you have a clients that love kind of this look, it looks like a chains, but also like a crystal chains. So you're basically doing it for, if for beginners, you how to achieve this look. Basically, you just lay them straight, like lie them up. It doesn't look like straight perfect, but it's okay because I am going to adjusting it just a second. It looks get lost in that chrome flake, but it's gonna show up right in it just a second. There's so many fun things that you can incorporate with this chrome. I'm gonna line them all the way up to the end of the nails. You can do right in the middle of the nails. You don't have to go all the way to until the end to finish. Can Instagram still seeing it?
Yep.
Sorry, I'm trying to make sure. All right, so now I am gonna do maybe silver. Silver may stand out good. One. And then you just need to lay them right on the top. I mean, next to each crystals. Like next to both of crystal placements. So it looks like a chain, but with crystal chains. Or you can also get the metal chains as well. It looks great as well. I'm so excited. I feel like can you check if I have any questions for Instagram? We have a phone is set up different. I'm gonna continue what I'm doing on this side. Let me turn. Where's the tray you can't read? Right there. Better? There's a lot of, the background is everything. The reason I turn it like this, so you won't see just my hands, you will see the nails actually, instead of just my hand. Ah, look at this zigzag to me now. so now I'm gonna adjusting it to get it all nice and straight. To me, you can do like 2 beats or 3 beats. This one is the actual one. Okay, so now if you're happy with this, we are going to gear this in 60 seconds. You can see it like this. If I tilt down, you can keep seeing it, right? Right, there you go. All right, here for 60 seconds.